Cynful Instant Pot Beef Stroganoff. We're going to turn on our Instant Pot on saute and add some butter and let it melt. Then we're going to add the onions. Stir those around a little bit, then add the garlic. Once those are nice and soft, we're going to remove those from the pot and set aside, then add our mushrooms. You can add a little bit more butter if you'd like. We're going to cook those until they're browned and soft. Once that's done, we're going to remove them from the pan and add the meat. We're going to cook that until there's no more pink showing. Then we're going to add our beef broth, tomato paste, mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. Stir it around and add the onions. Now we're going to hit cancel because we're going to turn off the saute. Go ahead and put the cover on. And then we're going to put it on pressure cook for 7 minutes. Now when it starts out, it's going to just say on and high. Once it builds pressure, it'll change. Go ahead and make your slurry with the beef broth and the cornstarch. And there you go, it's changed over to actually cooking under pressure for 7 minutes. We're going to go ahead and make our pasta that we're going to put this on top of. My pasta said cook it for 8 minutes, follow your pasta's directions. Now if you don't want it to boil over, put the spoon like that and it'll stop it. Once the timer goes off, hit vent. Remember, it's hot, so be careful. And once it's vented, take the top off. Add your sour cream. Stir that in really well till it's totally incorporated and nice and smooth. I tasted for flavor and felt that it needed a little salt and pepper. It's up to you. Stir all that in. And there you go. A link to a downloadable and printable PDF file is in the description. But here's your recipe anyway. I would like to thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today. Had a lot of fun. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful evening.